Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of Friday, yes, Friday, September 10th, 2021. Well, it's actually Monday, September the 13th, 2021. And I've told you I've only one regular Sudoku in today's newspaper, and I've decided to solve uh, the rest of the puzzles of Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 10th. So today, only one regular Sudoku, and the rest of the puzzles are the Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. Alright, but first, we will solve this maybe number 3386, I believe. Yes, 3386. All right, 3386. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. For a letter Sudoku, I need more time than a 1-star Sudoku. 27 printed digits is a 1 star. Faster than 50 minutes? No, because a letter Sudoku, I think between the 15 and 20 minutes I need to solve, because I cannot do a double check and the numbers, it's not numbers, the letters are different each time. We have the letters L, the I, the K, the N, the V, the E, the G, the B, and the O. And the goal is to solve this word in this row. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. We see here a K in the third column, K in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the K should be there. All right. Then. N in this column, the first column, N in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the N should be there. Then. Let me see. V. E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there. E should be here. Then we have an I in the first row, I in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. All right. All right. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is a B. The B. We have a B here, so no B in these two boxes. There B, no B in that box. So one box left for the B. Should be there. All right. Then. E and N. Yes. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those letters are the E is missing, the N is missing, and the V is missing. The N, the E, the V. And look, we have the E and the N there, so no, we have an N and an E here, so no N and the E in this box. The N and the E goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those. So one box left for the letter V. Alright. We have a B in this row, B in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the B should be there. One letter is missing in the third row. For the letter G, G is missing. Alright. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a B. We see here B, no B in these two boxes. There B, no B in those two boxes. So one box left for the B. Should be there. Alright. E in this row. E in the row below. So on the last row, the only two places for the E should be here. Oh, there we see there an E, no E there. E should be there. Now we have an E here, so no E in this box. The E should be in that box. And the N goes here. Alright. Excuse me. Alright. I'm thinking. How about these 4 missing letters in this big square? 2 of those missing letters are the N and the K. We have an N and a K in the second row, so no N and a K in these 2 boxes. The N and the K goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other 2 letters in this big square are the letters L is missing and the V is missing. L and the V. Okay. 2 letters are missing in the first row. We have the L and the V in this row, L and the V in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the letters L and the V are those 2 boxes as a pair. L and the V, we see here an L, no L there. L should be here, and the V goes there. Alright, so we have an L in this column, L in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the L should be there. Okay. V in this row, V in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there. V should be here. Okay. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, G and G and the E. E in this column, E in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the E should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters O is missing and the G is missing. O and the G. We see here an O, no O there. O should be here and the G goes there. Alright. Same for those 2 boxes in this column. 2 missing letters. The O is missing in this column and the G is missing. O and the G. We see here G, no G there. G should be here and the O goes there. Alright. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter I. Okay, so we have a O in this column, O in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the O should be here or there. You see there, no O there. O should be here. Okay, I cannot continue with the O. How about uh, three missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the G is missing, the N is missing, and the the N, the O and the N, and the G is missing. No, sorry, the G, the N, G and the N, and the G and the N and the and the B, of course, the B. Well, we have a G and an N in this column, so no G and an N in this box. The G and an N goes in those two boxes as a pair, G and N. You see here an N, no N there. N should be here, and the G goes there. So one box left in this row. One letter is missing for the B. All right. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters B and the letter I. B and I. All right. Okay. So, BB. GG. Okay. How about oh. Okay. K. Okay, and the N. Three missing letters in this column. The K is missing, the N is missing, and the L is missing. K and L. And look, we have a K and an N in this row, so no K and an N in this box. The K and the N goes in those two boxes as a pair, K and N. So one letter is left for the letter L. Okay. So we have an L in this row, L in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the L should be there. And still I cannot continue. We have a pair. O and the L in this row. O and the L in the middle row. So the row above, the O and the L goes in those three boxes. O and the L. We have an O and an L in this column, so no O and L in this box. The O and the L goes in those two boxes as a pair. O and L, O and L. Okay. So now we have K. K and N. Now we have an N here, so this box cannot be an N anymore. That box should be an N, and this box should be a K. Okay. N in this column and in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the N should be there. One box left in this column for the letter K. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. G is missing. and the letter B. G and a B. We see here G, no G there. G should be here and the B goes there. Now we have a B there. So this box cannot be B anymore. That box should be a B and this box should be an I. Okay. This is a K. Yes. Alright. Two missing letters in this row. For the letters O is missing. And the K is missing. O and a K. We have a K there. No K there. K should be here. Now O goes here. Alright, now we have O here. So this box can't be O anymore. That box should be an O and this box should be an L. Now we have an L here. So this box can't be L anymore. That box should be an L and this box should be a V. One box left in this column for the letter. The letter V, I believe. Yes, the V is missing. So we have a V in this row, V in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there. V should be here. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters B is missing and the I is missing. B and I. We see here a B, so no B there. B should be here and the I goes there. One box left in this row for the letter G. Yeah, G is missing. G in this column, G in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the G should be there. One box left in this row. A middle row for the letter K. K is missing. Alright. So we have a K in the last column, K in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the K should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters I and the N. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the N goes there. And the final two numbers, the letters in this big square for the letters I and the N again. We have an I here, no I there. I should be here and the N goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. I've told you between 15 or 20 minutes I need to have to solve this letter Sudoku. And the word is bevolking. If you translate this English, it's the population. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku it will be. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.